In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a waistband using twill tape. Twill tape is a thin strip of fabric which is used to stabilize the fabric when making a waistband. So let's get to it. This is how twill tape normally comes when you buy it in the package. My particular pattern asks for a 1/2 inch wide twill tape. And if you look at the top, you'll usually see the width, and it also lists how much is included. This one has 3 yards inside this package. Twill tape is really nice because the way that it is woven makes it extremely strong. So that's why it makes a good stabilizer. This is my pattern piece for the waist day for my pattern, which I'm making a skirt. So what this is telling me is how long my twill tape should be. So I already pre-cut this, but if I lay this out, you'll see that it is the length of my pattern. There's also dots on this pattern, which I need to transfer to my twill tape. What these dots represent is I'm gonna line it up with the top of my skirt. So these dots in particular get lined up with the side seams of the skirt. So the next step now is to pin the twill tape to the right side of the skirt. So this is my skirt that I'm gonna be sewing my twill tape in. Now I've turned it inside out, so I have the wrong side facing us. Here's one of the seams, the side seams right here. And this is the waist. I've just folded it in half. And what I'm going to be doing is pinning the twill tape around the waist on the right side of the fabric, so on the inside since it's flipped inside out. Now my directions say to pin this 3/8 from the seam line. So from the top here down to right here should be 3/8. So what I'm going to do is match my dots to my side seams and then go to the end this way to where I have my zipper, and then go around and match my other dot, which is right here, to this side seam, and then go all the way down to the end. Now at the end where I have my zipper, it's all right, in fact it's best if you have a little bit of the twill tape that goes over. This is eventually going to be folded to the inside, so the edge of the twill tape is then going to be hidden if you fold it over onto the wrong side and then you fold it over. So you're going to have a nice stabilized waistband, but you're not going to see the twill tape because it's going to end up on the inside of your garment. So I'm going to go ahead, finish pinning this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew on the bottom edge of the twill tape in order to hold it to the fabric. So now I'm going to sew my twill tape to my fabric. I have it all pinned. And if you look at your twill tape, there should be a slight line on the bottom and one right on the top. So I'm going to actually sew as close as I can to this bottom line right here. I'm going to start at the end. And I am going to do a back stitch to tie it off. You're just going to want to take your time. I have my waist and my skirt all laid out, so I'm trying to be careful to only sew through one layer. And then once I get to the end of this, I'm going to again back stitch. And then the next step is to fold the twill tape over so that it is on the wrong side of the fabric. I'm getting to the end here. Just have a few more inches to do. So again, once I get to the end, I'm gonna go ahead and do a back stitch. And then I'm gonna cut my threads. I'm gonna do back stitch right about here. Alright, so now this is sewn to the right side of my fabric. The next step, I'm going to turn this around. This is the wrong side of my fabric, so this is the inside of my skirt. I'm going to turn this down so it's folded like this, and now I'm going to pin it, fold it all the way around, and then I'm going to sew on this bottom line right here. And that's what's going to form my waistband. So after you finish pinning, I would press it so that you have a nice crisp edge right up here before you start to sew it. I'm now in the process of folding this twill tape over to the wrong side of the fabric. Here's the wrong side here facing me. This is the right side again. So you're just folding it over, and then you're pinning it. And what you want to make sure that you're pinning it carefully enough. So if you look over to the right side of the fabric, you're not going to see any of the twill tape peeking out, because we want it to look really smooth and professional. So I just do a couple of pins, then every so often I just flip it over to check to see if I have twill tape showing, and if I do, then I just redo it. So you're gonna do this all the way around your waistband. So I pinned all the way around my waistband, and I went upstairs to where I have my iron board, and I've ironed along the top of this just to make it lay a little bit more flat. So now I'm gonna sew along the bottom part of this twill tape now. And you can see a little faint line that goes across. So I'm just going to follow that line, the same as I did for this part of it. So I'm going to put my foot here. And the same as before, I'm going to do a back stitch to tie it off. And I'm just going to take my time so I can make sure that I follow this line pretty well, because this side is going, this seam at least is going to show on the right side of my fabric, and I want it to look as neat and straight as possible. So I'm just getting to the end here. When I finish, I'm going to press it again just to make sure everything's nice and clean on top. And then that's it. That's how you put a waistband in using just twill taping. When I get to the end here, I'm going to back stitch. And there you go. So I'm just going to iron this just to make sure that it lays nice and flat and gets out all the puckers and stuff. So now my twill waistband is done. You can see it's all sewn in here twice. And on the outside, you just have your one seam line that goes all the way across. So that's how you do the twill waistband.
Our book, Professor Pincussion's Beginner Guide to Sewing, Garment Making for Nervous Newbies, is now available to order. Go to professorpincushion.com/books or click on the link in the description to see a list of vendors where you can purchase it.